and welcome to this tutorial on how to add staff members to your account. Before you get started, you need to gather some documentation for each one of your staff members. You'll need a copy of a Florida ID, driver's license or state ID, and a W-9 for each employee. Once you have these documents gathered, save the digital copy of them. When you save them in the folder, add in your employee's name. This will make it easier to find when you need them later on. There are two methods on how to add employees to your ARPA account. The first method is where the staff member or employee adds themselves in. If you choose to go that route, share this link or this QR code to each employee so they can use it to add themselves in. Once they click on the link, they'll be taken to this website. And they simply need to fill out each one of these forms in order to add themselves in. Very important, they must use your provider ID in order to be connected to your school as an employee. Once you add in your provider ID, the provider name will auto-populate, and it should be the name of the school where that person's working. Then they can go ahead and fill out all the other fields that are there. Please remember to include your social security number, as well as your home mailing address. The mailing address is geotagged, so as soon as you start typing in your address, it'll start auto-populating. Make sure to include the employee's personal email and their cell phone. They must select a position, either an educator or a director, and the date that they started working at your center. Must also select what age groups they are teaching, infant, toddlers, preschoolers, or school age, and then how many years they've been in the field of early education. Next question is, do they want to register for the class bonus? If they want to register, please select the age group for the courses that you want to take. And this will pop up another question. Do you have a language preference? Either that you're going to take the courses in English or in Spanish. Once you select an answer, go ahead and sign the document. And now you're going to upload a copy of your ID and the W-9. Go back to the folder where we had them saved. Select them, click open. Select your W-9 and click open. The two documents attached, your form is signed. Click save, and you have added, and the employee has added themselves to your staff account. Once they have been added in, you can now navigate back to your form to finish filling them out. Once you log back into your ARPA account, and click on Educator Director Request, you'll find them here in the pop-up menu. If you are going to add in your staff members, and this is the second method, you're going to follow the same steps as an employee would. Click Add Staff, and this pop-up screen will come up. Fill out all of these forms, just as an employee would, and remember to upload the valid Florida ID and the W-9. Click Save Entry, and they have been added in. Then simply select them from the pop-up menu, and you can continue. And this is how you add staff members to your ARPA account. Thank you very much.